Awesome. Great. So now let's talk about topic of the day. Today's psychology insight name is narrative bias. Why your mind turns random events into meaningful stories. Narrative bias. Today's topic is narrative bias. Let's understand it in simple words. Narrative bias is brain's tendency to create logical stories and explanations for events, even when reality is more random or uncertain. Human beings are uncomfortable with uncertainty, confusion, and randomness. We are uncomfortable with this. That's why we create stories. So the mind creates stories to make reality feel understandable. Now, why this topic is mind blowing? Because most people think I see reality clearly. But psychology says the mind constantly creates narratives to feel psychologically stable. That's why people say everything happens for a reason. The failure ruined my life. This one event defines me. People always do this to me. The brain connects events into emotional stories, even when reality is more complex. So there are some real life examples. One is one rejection and people think I'm not good enough. One betrayal, people think nobody can be trusted. One success, I am invincible. One bad experience, lifelong fear pattern. The event was temporary, the story becomes the permanent. There is a practical shift we can do by creating more awareness, by asking question to ourselves that am I seeing the facts or creating a story around the fact? Am I seeing the facts or creating a story around the facts? This question creates emotional clarity because thoughts are not always reality. Interpretations shape emotions. Okay, so let me give you more awareness questions related to this. One is you can ask yourself, am I describing the facts or interpreting them emotionally? Next question you can ask, am I overgeneralizing the event? Third question you can ask, does this story create understanding or emotional suffering? Would I say this to someone I love? The same story. Is this story helping me grow or keeping me emotionally stuck? Okay. So the emotional, now there is a very biggest insight about it. Emotionally wounded mind create stories for protection. The brain thinks if I create a strong explanation, maybe I can avoid the pain again. So sometimes fear becomes philosophy, insecurity becomes identity, pain becomes worldview without awareness. Okay, so this is our topic of the day, psychology insight of the day, which is called narrative bias. Why your mind turns random events into the meaningful stories. Now floor is open for any kind of question and sharing and discussion. Please go ahead if you want to ask anything or share anything related to this topic. Anyone? We try to create stories about everything, right? Our mind, try to relate things and create stories, even though we do not know anything about it. So this is the called the narrative bias tendency of the mind.
Can I come in, sir? Good
Yes,
morning.
please.
Good morning.
Good
Yeah.
morning.
A very interesting topic, sir. And I go into the genetic Indian genetic mindset. मतलब ट्रेडिशनली हम अपने बचपन से चाहते हैं, और जो हम जिस तरह से ओवर प्रोटेक्टेड जो कल्चर है इंडिया में, इट इज अ रिच कल्चर. आई वोंट क्रिटिसाइज दिस कि हम लोग अपने जो भी परिवार अपने अपनों के प्रति बहुत केयरफुल या ओवर केयरफुल होते हैं. तो उसका एक छोटा सा है कि बचपन से ही जो हमें बहुत ओवर प्रोटेक्ट करके रखा जाता है, डोंट डू दिस, ये वो. तो हमें थ्रेट परसेप्शन ज्यादा दिखाए जाते हैं बचपन से ही. और जबकि इसका उल्टा आपने जापान या कहीं पे हमने सुना है, देखा तो नहीं है, बट यस देयर वाज सेड कि बच्चे को पैदा होते ही पानी में छोड़ दिया जाता है, पूल में पटक दिया जाता है बहुत छोटी उम्र में. जबकि वो नहीं, और छोड़ दिया जाता है बिना किसी प्रोटेक्शन के, और थोड़ी देर बाद वो कुरकुरे खा के अपना सर्वाइवल एस्टेब्लिश कर लेता है, इंस्पाइट ऑफ उसको कुछ भी अवेयरनेस नहीं होता है. तो शायद ऐसा कल्चरल डिफरेंस हमको ओवर प्रोटेक्टेड बनाता है. तो और अनद ऐसे भय क्रिएट करता है, तो हमारे अंदर फियर क्रिएट कर देता है, जिसकी वजह से हम लोगों का इस तरह का माइंडसेट, और हम उसके अभ्यस्त हो जाते हैं. जब तक हम बड़े जवान होते हैं, रोड पे मत जाना, खेलना मत, शाम को ना अंधेरे में मत जा, ये मत जा, वो मत जा, ऊपर मत चढ़, ये जो डोंट डूज हैं. जबकि अफ्रीका में सुना था एक समय पे, विवियन रिचर्ड के बारे में कुछ सुना था कि अफ्रीका में जब क्रिकेट खेलते हैं बच्चे, तो बिना पैड और बिना ग्लव्स के खेलते हैं, इसलिए वो बहुत ज्यादा वाइल्ड और मजबूत होते हैं. अ, अब शायद ये कल्चरल डिफरेंस की वजह से इस तरह की हम स्टोरीज परसीव कर लेते हैं कि हाँ ऐसा हुआ तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, जबकि हकीकत में रियलिटी कुछ और होती है. और अगर उसको बिना डरे आगे बढ़ जाया जाए, तो या तो सफल सक्सेस मिलेगी या फिर अनुभव. तो अगर फेलियर मिला तो अनुभव मिलता है, उससे लेसन मिलता है. तो उतना जिगरा या कलेजा होना चाहिए कि हम उस बैरियर, उस थ्रेशोल्ड को क्रॉस करके आगे अपना वाइडर विजन खोल के देख सकते.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you, Mr. Anand, for sharing this. Thank you. Anybody else would like to share or add on something? I want to
Good
ask
morning,
something.
Bobby sir.
Yeah, very good morning.
Here I come again. So, a small narrative that I'll share. I don't know if it'll fit into what you're saying, but it worked for me. So, when I was about 22 years old, and I was doing my MBA at that time, second year, and it was a rude awakening and a shock when I was told that I'm adopted. And it did not come from my parents. It came from a distant relative in a very rude manner. Because I had gotten into some small tiff with them, and then they called me whatever, and then I got to know that I'm adopted. I obviously confronted my mom and asked her whether it was true or not and what was the story. She did tell me. Apparently, I was found in a nice cardboard box of a pressure cooker, symbolic of a lot of things in my life. So initially, I struggled a lot to accept this. I denied it. I went into a rage mode. I was angry. I wanted to know who my real parents were and why did they leave me. So a lot of that chaos happened initially. But within, I think it took me about 2-3 years to stabilize. And then I changed the narrative. And I said, I don't care. It's not you. I don't care who it is. But I will define where my story starts from. I will say, so I then created my email ID and I said, I originate from the sun. So it's origin.sun. And I said, this is how I will define myself, not how the world wants to define me. So that was a sort of a narrative that I gave to myself, and it stuck with me till date. And since I visualized it in my head that I originate from the sun, it became my story because I feel that kind of energy, that kind of motivation, that kind of push in life that nothing can stop me because that's how powerful I am. And that's all I did. And it worked.
Very nice. Very
Yeah.
good example. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
So, the narratives that our mind is setting, we need to see that is it making us strong, making us grow, or it is stopping us, it is limiting us, right? So your story, your narrative is really helping you to grow further, right? Helping you to think in a positive and different way. Really great. So that's how we need to understand the quality of the narrative or the story that our mind is creating. Thank you, Pragya ji, for sharing your real example.
Most welcome, sir.
सर आई अप्रिशिएट प्रज्ञा जी, और ये इनका जो हौरा है वो निकल के दिख के आता है कि ये बड़े कहते हैं ना, अंगारों में से तप के निकली हुई मूर्ति हैं। वेरी
सूरज के अंगारे, sir.
Okay, great.
Keep it up. God bless you. God bless you, Pragya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to share or add on something? Please go ahead. Else
मैं
we...
सर मैं इसमें एक सबके लिए एक सजेस्ट करूंगा, इफ समवन और सम ऑफ अस हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट बुक। सर शिवाजी सावंत महाराष्ट्र के उनकी एक किताब है मृत्युंजय, वो कर्ण के बारे में है। प्रज्ञा जी जरूर पढ़िएगा, और उसको सब लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए, और देखिए उसमें से क्या इंसाइट मिलता है। अगर मौका मिले तो उसका नाम है मृत्युंजय, राइटर इज शिवाजी सावंत, बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में है, एंड इट इज अबाउट द कर्ण एंड कर्न्स लाइफ।
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you.
All right, so this is the time for the quote of the day. Quote of the day says, the mind suffers not only from events, but from the stories it creates about those events. I'm repeating it again. The mind suffers not only from events, but from the stories it creates about those events. Thank you so much, everyone. It was a lovely interaction with you. Thank you, and I wish you have a great day, awesome day, fantastic day, and a very, very meaningful day, and a very productive day. Thank you. Thank you.
So much,
Take care.
Professor.
You want to ask something?
या नहीं सर, बहुत ना बहुत जल्दी।
No, Rocha ji want to ask. I think she was saying something.
No, I just said thank you so much.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome, and thank you so much.